Drifting through kelp forests, this vibrant golden brown jellyfish uses trailing stinging tentacles to capture microscopic zooplankton, crustaceans, and other smaller jellyfish. Plunging deep into kelp forests, this remarkable seabird lacks waterproof feathers to decrease buoyancy, using powerful webbed feet to hunt small fish. Hovering in massive clouds within kelp forests, this oval-shaped blue-grey fish filter feeds on zooplankton and tunicates, providing essential food for apex predators. Key reefs, this brainless, brightly mottled orange and red echinoderm uses microscopic tube feet to scavenge organic detritus and stationary algae. Hidden in rocky crevices, this heavily armored invertebrate uses vibrant purple spines and tube feet to voraciously consume fallen giant kelp blades. Inhabiting kelp forests and rocky shores, this agile marine mammal relies on its beautifully spotted fur and highly sensitive whiskers to hunt prey. Perfectly camouflaged among swaying amber fronds, this olive-brown crab utilizes sharp, hooked legs to grip giant kelp, feeding on it and decaying matter. Patrolling offshore reefs, this tri-colored, bulbous-headed fish acts as a crucial keystone predator, crushing destructive sea urchins with its large canine teeth. Gliding over rocky reefs, this neon purple sea slug consumes specialized hydroids, storing their toxic stinging cells within fiery orange cerata for ultimate protection. Roaming the ocean floor, this massive reddish-brown marine gastropod features leathery skin and wing-like parapodia, grazing exclusively on dense beds of red macroalgae. Suspended within giant kelp pillars, this stealthy mid-water ambush predator utilizes olive brown and white checkerboard camouflage to explosively capture smaller schooling fish. Cruising gracefully over flat, sandy channels, this slender, harmless elasmobranch boasts striking silver skin, heavily patterned with dark spots, hunting hidden benthic crustaceans. Hovering in massive, shimmering superorganisms, these fast-moving pelagic cephalopods communicate via shifting, microscopic chromatophores on translucent skin while utilizing tentacles to hunt. Peering from dark, rocky dens, this serpentine, grey-spotted fish utilizes incredibly powerful jaws and blunt teeth to effortlessly crush sea urchins and crabs. Resting motionless on algae-covered reefs, this heavy, perfectly camouflaged sculpin utilizes its broad head and massive mouth to aggressively ambush wandering crabs. Standing like ghostly white pillars on deep rock walls, these massive invertebrates extend fluffy tentacles to passively capture drifting zooplankton from cold currents. Fiercely guarding rocky pinnacles, this heavily armored, perfectly camouflaged apex fish utilizes a massive mouth and sharp teeth to quickly consume wandering prey. This massive marine snail utilizes a powerful muscular foot to trap drifting kelp beneath its thick, iridescent shell. Buried perfectly motionless beneath grey-white sand, this flattened, camouflaged elasmobranch utilizes specialized spiracles to breathe, while actively waiting to ambush passing flatfish prey. Diving deeply from steep coastal cliffs, this sleek, black and white seabird effectively flies horizontally underwater to successfully catch fast-moving schooling fish, utilizing sharp beaks. Dancing acrobatically through towering kelp, this intelligent marine mammal features external ear flaps and rotatable hind flippers, hunting diverse pelagic and benthic prey. Patrolling lower rocky shelves, this fiercely territorial benthic fish consumes tiny crabs and marine worms, flashing brilliant neon blue spots to assert dominance. Resting beneath algae-covered boulders, this slow-moving nocturnal shark utilizes powerful jaws to crush hard-shelled invertebrates, featuring beautiful spots and sharp dorsal spines. Denning in deep, rocky crevices, this intelligent invertebrate mastermind hunts at night, instantly changing its skin texture and color to flawlessly mimic surroundings. Weaving through sunlit canopies, this tiny yellow-orange cleanerfish actively uses protruding buck teeth to meticulously nip parasitic copepods off larger host fish. Drifting near the pelagic surface, this colossal, tailless bony fish employs massive dorsal and anal fins to slowly scull, feeding delicately on jellyfish. Flowing over jagged rock contours, this massive, multi-armed, fleshy invertebrate utilizes thousands of gripping tube feet to aggressively hunt urchins, clams, and snails. Swirling in colossal, synchronized bait balls, these tiny silver fish continuously filter feed microscopic plankton, successfully confusing predators, utilizing massive, flashing, defensive swimming formations, forming tightly packed superorganisms in the upper pelagic void. These bluish-green schooling fish filter feed zooplankton, flashing characteristic black spots as they synchronize perfectly. Wedged in dark, rocky crevices, this nocturnal ambush predator boasts rough, mottled skin and defensively swallows water to significantly swell its body when threatened. Anchored in deep currents, this stunning crimson invertebrate uses potent, venomous tentacles to rapidly paralyze and consume small fish and large passing crustaceans. Cruising the deep pelagic zone, this fast, hydrodynamically elegant predator utilizes long, glider-like pectoral fins and stunning metallic indigo countershading to hunt squid. Gliding precisely through coastal transition zones, this colossal, torpedo-shaped apex predator constantly relies on immense power and heavily serrated teeth to hunt mammals. Traversing the open pelagic zone, this colossal turtle lacks a bony shell, featuring a ridged, leathery carapace and specialized anatomy to devour jellyfish. Cruising near steep continental drop-offs, these highly social mammals possess uniquely bulbous, beakless heads and heavily scarred grey bodies from successfully hunting deep water squid. Holding their breath for over an hour, these blubber-heavy deep water hunters consume squid, while heavily scarred males aggressively display large, inflatable, ferocious devices. Traveling rapidly in highly energetic, massive pods, these acrobatic, striped marine mammals cooperate completely seamlessly to aggressively hunt anchovies and pelagic squid near surfaces. Operating in structured pods, these incredibly intelligent mammals utilize advanced communication to hunt, universally recognized by their distinct rounded melons and smiling beaks. Operating with absolute authority, this apex pack hunter displays brilliant black and white coloration and immense intelligence to utterly dominate the global oceanic food chain. Undertaking massive migrations, this colossal, barnacle-encrusted gentle giant rolls onto its side to filter tiny crustaceans directly from the benthic ocean floor sediment. As Earth's largest animal, this colossal blue-grey leviathan expands deeply grooved ventral pleats to engulf water, efficiently filtering and consuming microscopic shrimp-like krill. Plunging aggressively from coastal skies, this spectacular seabird billows out an incredibly elastic throat pouch to securely scoop up near-surface schooling fish prey. Thriving in energetic intertidal zones, this dark-plumaged coastal avian utilizes a vivid red-orange, chisel-like beak to forcefully pry mollusks from jagged ocean rocks. Soaring above coastal cliffs, this aggressive, highly intelligent opportunist survives via a diverse scavenging diet, easily distinguished by its red-spotted yellow facial beak. Nesting securely on sheer rock walls, this dark seabird dives deeply to capture benthic fish, showcasing stunning white wing patches and vibrant red feet. Denning within kelp holdfasts, this tiny invertebrate hunts small crustaceans, rapidly altering its skin texture and brilliant red-orange coloration for perfect micro-camouflage. Swaying dynamically in massive mid-water schools, this blue-black fish creates a living curtain among kelp, continuously swimming upward to pluck microscopic zooplankton. Resting completely motionless upon rocky reef ledges, this heavily armored ambush predator utilizes textured coppery brown camouflage to aggressively inhale unsuspecting, wandering fish prey. Migrating massive global distances, this highly intelligent baleen whale utilizes complex, cooperative strategies to hunt, featuring remarkably long pectoral fins and sensory jaw tubercles. Floating amid golden kelp, this crucial keystone mammal lacks insulating blubber, relying instead on dense, waterproof fur and stone tools to completely smash urchins.